complex movements start from very simple movements. Fast movements are a result of eliminating inefficiencies and making the simplest movement possible. We learn to do this and do this most comfortably by establishing the foundation in seated meditation, and then move from sitting to standing to simple motion to complex motions. Maybe playing with the wooden man, or it may be engaging in a conference or a presentation in a work environment. The complexity of the interaction and the centeredness of the meditation practice provides the same foundation. In seated meditation, we learn to find our center. We center the breath. We establish a very classic posture of the straight spine like the pine tree. Very centered, very stable. In stillness, we find the center. Once the center is established, we move that into motion. The first transition from seated meditation to motion or movement meditation is to be able to find the elements of the seated meditation in a standing posture. We'll stand with the feet about shoulder width, knees are relaxed, the hips roll forward slightly, allowing us to elongate the spine. And then, just how we talked about in seated meditation, you can imagine a connection point on top of the head. It's pulling some very gentle tension upwards. The hands just soften and relax, palms toward the ground, and establish the center point of breath, the inhalation and the exhalation of equal duration. The center between the stimulation of the in-breath, the softening and relaxing of the out-breath. All the other elements of the seated posture are exactly the same from the waist up. The only difference is, instead of a seated posture, we're allowing ourselves to come into a more vertical posture. It's a little more challenging because finding the stillness is a bit more challenging on 2 points of contact, the feet, as opposed to the whole torso resting on the ground. The tongue goes against the roof of the mouth. The eyes gently close. We find the center point of breath between inhalation and exhalation. Soften and relax the physical self. Quiet the thoughts and find center.
See you at Sacred Light Mountain in North Georgia.